biggest boss and I've been in Trillis. I'm a bigger problem when I click with Skrillex. Murder on my mind, it's time to pray to God. My revolver's not religious, the revolution's born. You wanna know my name to go and tell the Sarge.
Oh God.
You wanna know my gang, Suicide Squad. Pistol on my waist, I might make a mistake. Headshot, oh my God, am I crazy? Drugs every corner, this is Gotham City. Killer Croc, came to kidnap you to cut out your kidney.
Okay guys, so these halos are custom made. When I was looking for halos and for headlights, I couldn't find any with the halos. So, oh fuck. God damn it, sorry guys. This tripod keeps messing up. So what I did is I bought each halo set individually. I ordered them on Amazon, measured out each little hole, you know, where they go into, and took apart the whole headlight, blacked out the housing. It took a while to do. It took probably about 2 full days to do the whole thing, but some of the halos are falling out a little bit because I used duct tape, like really, you know, Gorilla tape, really strong duct tape, but it gets so hot in the housing, Gorilla tape just melts. Maybe leave a comment down below if there are any Evo owners that want these headlights. You can either, you can either follow my tutorial on them, or you can message me anytime. Leave a comment down below. All right, let's get started.
The talents in the clip. Build a palace out in Paris just to fill with bitches. Say my name and I'm coming with the gun squad. Everybody running, homie, is only one God. Cocaine, white Ferrari, I'm in the fast lane. Every day was life and death, that's when the cash came. Count money, drug residue, even blood on it. He had it driving till I put my cuz on it. Kicking in the door, boy, the Suicide Squad. Needle in my arm, so I'm do or die for it. Ain't no mercy, ain't no mercy. Huh. Got that purple Lamborghini lurking. Ain't no mercy, ain't no mercy. Huh. Got that purple Lamborghini lurking. Rosé. Huh.
And then change it to red. Can't really see in the daytime. Blue, purple. You can flash. This little wire right here has to poke out enough so you can change them. Ran the wire all through there, over that side. Hooks right up to the battery. Yeah. Okay, so I got it all figured out. That one was the one that was mostly falling out. And I found out the reason they were falling was because I think I got too excited first time when I was doing them. There were literally 4 pieces of tape and they were like that big. I don't know what I was thinking. Wow. Way to go, Peter. Jesus. Anyways, I'm gonna install it. Woo. Guys, a fucking bunny just ran past me. I thought it was my cat. My cat's dead. Bunny. Oh, that was Logan. Oh my god, what a funny. Shout out to Logan. Alright, I gotta put these back in.
I'm back.
Oh fuck, what the hell is on my lens? That is leak on my lens? What the fuck? God damn it. Got her all put back together. GoPro died. That's how she looks now. Got the bumper all put back on her. Here, let me turn on the halos for you guys. Oh, on. There you go. There's off and on. Yep. There you go. See the halos, and then turn the other one on. And I can switch it to different colors, but I don't really want to right now. Anyways, that's how she looks. And now I'm gonna go home and eat some food because I'm really fucking hungry. And wow, crocodile.